Hi, this is Mrs. Barb with the fraction subtraction with the same denominator. As we have done addition with the same denominator, I'll just review one of these. We have how many sevenths? 2. Getting out 2 sevenths. Plus how many sevenths? 3. We'll get out 3 sevenths. This says what kind? This says how many. And if you recall, when we put them together, the sevenths don't change. It's just how many. Now we have 5 sevenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths equals 5 sevenths. Just as 2 plus 3 equals 5, we can check that by using the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. We could do 5 sevenths. Let's start out with 5 sevenths and let's subtract 3 sevenths. Here's our 5 sevenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're taking away 3 of these sevenths. Again, the same denominator, just the number on top changes. And that leaves us with 2 sevenths. So our answer for this fraction subtraction would be 2 sevenths. They're all still sevenths, just how many we have changed, just 2. That is one example of how the addition and subtraction of fractions relate to each other. Let's try another fraction subtraction problem. Let's start out with 7/9, and we're going to subtract. So I'm going to get out 7/9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. I got them separated so that you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is how many? 9 is the kind. They are ninths. Let's subtract 4 ninths. 1, 2, 3, 4. It leaves us with these 3. 3 ninths is our answer. Notice again, this whole problem is dealing with ninths. We didn't change anything in the denominators, just how many. We had 7 of them, we subtracted 4 of them, and we're left with 3 of them. Now, if you remember from a previous lesson that for simplifying fractions, that 3/9 does have a GCF, a greatest common factor, and that would be 3. That means we can divide the top by 3 and the bottom by 3 to get an equivalent fraction of 1/3. Getting a little squishy here. Let's move them over. So we would not leave this answer sitting as 3/9. We would need to simplify it to 1/3. And while we've got the fraction circles out, 3/9 is in fact the same as 1/3. So this would be the answer to our subtraction problem. The denominator did change. It is not the same kind, but we simplified it 3/9 by whatever we did to the top, we did to the bottom, so they would be equivalent. Well, that's the end of the subtraction fraction lesson. I hope you have fun with your follow-up.